Yeah, so we have this 242 unit in Jacksonville. It's a value add project. A lot of the units are dated. We were looking for somebody to do renovations for us on a large number of units, putting in new kitchens, new lightings, new flooring, some plumbing, ACs. So we were referred to Jalen through our commercial broker. I'm glad they did that. We were really very impressive looking at their quality, the product they showed us, their timeliness, and they were available whenever we wanted to talk to them. The pricing was good, but that's one part of the equation. We really liked the reviews we saw for Jalen, the other product they showed us they've been doing in the market. We spoke to some people. They came out with really good referrals, and the process and the ease of work with Jesse was another factor. He was very helpful putting up the estimates, came on site a few times, we walked the units together. They had a project manager for each project. The builder trend that they do at the end of the day keeps us informed. We are not local to the market, so that was very important for us. Anytime there was an upcharge or a change in pricing, it was very transparent. Timing was good, given that we did this in the middle of COVID. I think we still hit very aggressive timelines, and they managed the whole resident office and experience with the city of Jacksonville pretty well as well. Even after the project was complete, Jesse was always available. His project coordinator was available, coming back to knock out any issues we had up until the point that all the residents moved in. We are aggressively expanding in the Jacksonville and the Florida market, both for value add and new construction. So overall, we are very happy working with them, and we'll refer them to anybody who has these kind of projects.